Project starter repo. Document. Okay. Git clone. Okay, in here I already installed Redis in my local machine. I'm using Mac, so yeah, you need to install this one. So I already did that for my project. And let me see if I open my terminal. Yeah, so I can see it installed after I type this. Create a virtual environment. Go to our terminal. I will stop this one. I'm already logged in Azure, I suppose. Description found. Okay, then I have this script here, create cluster. And the setup script. This one in here. I'll need to run this one. Location. I think the rest looks fine. So let me see. So I can see. Oh no, CD desktop. CD. So I can see this setup script.c, so I will do this, and I hope now what I do is setup dot this will create the VM scale set. It's good that now at least we have everything scripted for us, so we don't have to create everything manually like before. So that's cool. So after that, okay, now I'll go to here. Hi, hello, the buyer. How how are you? I'm good. I'm good in the middle of the recording. So I will continue here. Okay. So I will I was about to create the application insights now. Okay, so name. Let me see. Azure vote app insights. And West Europe. Workspace base. Yeah, I think it is this one. Definitions and stacks. Review and create. And now let me see. Okay, so this part is related to the application sites. We will need to go to the main script. It's the Azure Vote main. So we have some to-do things in here. So this is very similar to one of the sections of the module. So I will just copy and paste from my project. But yeah, this part is very clear during the chapters in the module. maybe there is just one thing that I need to add, is that maybe in the requirements.txt there is one called request. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure, but as I don't remember because I did it some time ago, but I think the requirements in the exercise hello. So I think the requirements do not come with OpenCensus extra request, as far as I remember. I will check here. Yeah, and I think I will have an issue with this when I try to run it, but we just add it and we should be fine. Let me see. So app insights. First app insights. Should do so. I will. Yeah, we have to import a lot of things, but these are given to us during the chapters. App insights. Okay. So this is our script finished. So I will just go back to the portal and see if the things were created right. If the virtual machine scale set was created right. So the resource group was created right. And then we can see we have the VMSS and also the load balancer, public IP address. Yeah, it seems everything was created fine. So let's go ahead and finish the main script. Metrics export tracer. Now the for metrics, I think I also need this one, which is not, I do not see in here, but yeah, I think this one wasn't also not given in the exercise, but it was given during the chapters, but it's not in the instructions in the project. The login. Oops. The login. And then set metrics. Set the log level metrics. To get the metrics, tracing, at Flask. Then after that we do the requests. The requests, we do this middleware connection string. Okay. Redis connection. Oops. Get current values. Get current values to do. We'll add this one here. Votes to. With tracer.span. Return index with that's this one is okay. Tracer.span. And then what else? Below we have the to do. User like object to get word. Get the logger info vault. Let's see if I made all of the to-dos. To-do. It seems we don't have. Okay, and then after that I need to go to the app insights that we created. And we get this instrumentation key. Let me see, I will just put it in here. Let me just check if this is the right thing to do. Yeah, it seems right. I will just replace it for another one. So I have one old instrumentation key in here. Okay, it seems I have them fine. Then I'll try to run this code. Python, Azure, Vault, 1.5. They have an error. Yes, I have an error with this request trace. I think it's not included. Yeah, I'll need to include it in here. I don't know if anyone else had the same issue. So let me search for it. And then I'll do. Sorry, Adebayo, what did you say? I didn't do this yet. I'm just doing local for now. After I run it locally, fine. Then I will deploy it to the VMSS. Open sensors, request. Okay, and then I think I can do pp freeze. Let me see, pp freeze. I always forget this command. I will just do this like I did before, just to so that I can have all of my requirements right in here, summarized in the requirements text. Sorry, I do not understand you. See if it works now. I'll try again. Okay. Now what is the error? Main line error. That's exception. I think I had this issue before, but I don't remember what I did. Let me try to do this. Okay, I think I don't know. Maybe after I don't know if it was because I typed Redis server or if it was because I changed this, but yeah, it's working now. Let's see if yeah, but that's weird. Okay, it seems to be working. Yeah, normally should be localhost here, right? So and run this one. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's weird. That's very weird. Okay. Okay. And we can see the requests in here. Okay, we have requests. Now we go to the Oh no, wait. Insights. Application insights. It's in users, I guess. Oh no, events. Usage events. Okay, and then we see that we have 18 events, and then we go to view more insights, and okay, we are not able to see the cats and dogs. Yeah, it should be there. Now I have 0 events. I don't know why. But before we had 18. Okay, maybe something wrong in the code. Let me see. Yeah. Instrumentation key seems to be right. Just check again, see if I put everything in the right place. I'll try to refresh. Is from here. Oops. Wow. Maybe I forgot something. Get this one. User events. $45. Oh, now we have them. See? Dogs vote, cat vote. 13, but I don't know what was wrong before. I don't know if it was because maybe the instrumentation key was wrong, I don't know, or maybe I forgot to put some code here in the middle. But yeah, now it seems to be working. You changed this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I also don't know if it is because I have this one in here, like I didn't have this one in here after also. Maybe we can try again. Like I didn't have anything related to using those libraries in the else, but like if get cats vote and then post. I think this one is when you get the request. So I can also try this one. Let's see. Right now we have 82 event and 97 events and 18 cats and dogs. Oh no, yeah, it takes some time to update. Yeah, you need to be patient until it shows the results. 112, 115, 20. Yeah, takes some time to process. Okay, let me stocks vote 2. Yeah, I don't I'm not really sure, but we are able to see them in the logs. Like I think if we go to the queries, to the monitor, to the logs, the gas, which one we see the traces, I guess. The traces, and let me see. And for each traces, yeah, and we have them in here, I think. Custom dimension. I guess it is this one. In this case, we have a get post in this case. Get. But I see them in requests. But I think we also have them when we get custom events, I think. Custom events. Yeah, I think it's in custom events. Custom dimensions, and then we have the cat's vote and the dog's vote. Cat's vote 7, and then the number of votes of the cats. And if we get another one of dog votes, custom dimension, dog's vote 6. Yeah. Okay. So going back, so it works fine locally. So now we can deploy to the VMSS. Now that we checked that, I will stop this one. Let me see if I didn't skip anything. Okay, now we need to create a branch. There. Git init. I'll do git add. Come on. I did something wrong. I will delete this. I will delete this vote app environment because I did something stupid. I'll just yeah, add the usual .git ignore. I think we already have a .ignore. Yeah, we already have, but we don't have this. Git status. Let me see. Okay, git commit and first commit. Oops! Oh my god, no. Clear. Git status. Okay, if we look into our branch, git branch, we only have master. Okay. Git checkout, be deploy VMSS, then we will create a new branch. Okay. Before we see git log. Okay, it seems I don't need to do that because I already did in the other branch. Let me see. But now I will go to GitHub and just create a repository to upload that branch. Vote app. Public. Okay, I will check out. Git branch master. We are still calling master. Okay. That's not a good expression to use nowadays. Check out master. Okay. Git branch on. Okay, we have a branch main in here. Now let's go to git checkout by there. Git push. Okay, now we have few up branches. Okay, we have deploy VMSS in here. Wait. Okay, deploy to VMSS. We seem to have everything in here that we need. Okay. Now we're gonna need to deploy to the VMSS. Okay. Let me stop this one. So, okay, then we do SSH in one of these ports. Port number at public ID. It's going to be this one. And the port number is 51111. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to work. Oh, it seems it's going to work. Yes. Okay, we are inside the VM. And now we are going to need to clone that repository, but with the VMSS branch. So let's see. We can do this by using this one. Git clone in here. Okay. Let's see, git clone. Okay, let's see if we, okay, we have our load app easy journeys in here. Let's go there, cd load git status, and let's check out to that branch. Okay, we are in here, and now we need to do this stuff. We need to install Python in the machine, pp, and install the Redis database. So I will go to the home, and let me try to remember what I need to put in here. So sudo apt update, I'm just, yes, okay, we have Python 3.7, and then we install the pip. For the pip I use this command, and let me see what we have after. Okay, now I need to go to that, we seem to have everything. Now we go back to that folder, we create our, we did the same thing we did locally before. Yeah, I don't know if we have this. I'll try to do this. If we don't have, I will need to install this. Okay, this is because we don't have the Python VMs installed. So we install the Python VMs. And then we can do this to create our local environment. Then we activate our environment and install the dependencies. We see it is activated because we see this in here. We install the requirements. Don't worry about the error messages. Everything is fine. And then now we try to run it like we did in here. Okay, so it's running. So we need to go to that, I don't remember what is the port that, I'll just do it again. Okay, we go to this address. We don't need the port, I think only this. It might take a while to work out. Yeah, so right now it's not working. Maybe we need to wait a little bit more. Let me see. Oh yeah, I think I did install the Red server. Yes, that's right. Yeah, to install the Red server, let me see how did I do? So sorry, I forgot to install the Red server. So I will stop this one. Oh no, stop the other one. Go to to install the Red server. I just use the usual commands we use for Linux. So I use this one, sudo apt repository, get the repository to install the Redis from, and then just update. And after that, install the Redis itself. Redis itself. And then after that, I think I try to I type this to see if it answers me back Pong. If it answers me back Pong, it's because the Redis was installed fine. So I will get back to. And then go to the. Okay. Here, if it's 2 shows 402 bad gateway and Jinx, it means either of the following. So your request is being redirected to the VMSS, so wait and refresh the browser in such a case. Otherwise, it is check is backend Redis server in the VMSS instance is up and running. Also check the instrumentation key is valid. Check the console output of the VMSS instance. Okay. It's not working. Oops, what is this? Okay, we are having an internal server error. Let me see. Okay, maybe it's because this debug mode off. Let me see what I did to pass by this error. Okay. I think I know. Let me see. In here, in the main, yeah, I am with this one, app.run. I should change to this one. So I will change it. And I can maybe change. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I will comment this and save this. So debug equal true, debug is off. Yeah. Okay, so I will change it. Oops. Clear. Get to what the fuck? .rb, where is it? Okay, this is maybe this is something generated by Redis. Let me check. I will just delete. So in this case we should put it in the git ignore also. Okay, git status, git ignore, okay, git add, git and fix debug not on, git push. Okay, let's see in the repo. Okay, now it's uncommented. Let's go to the VM. Let's stop this one. Git pull. Okay, git ignore, and the main was changed. Let's try again. So now debug mode is on, and yeah, let's see if it's going to work. Maybe we need to wait a little bit more, but we didn't get any error this time, so I am more optimistic. Yeah, that's weird. Let me see how is it in here. No, but we are not using Kubernetes already. Main.py. Port. Yeah. It doesn't need. Yeah, it doesn't need because I think the default port that Flask uses is 5000. But in here in the setup script, let me see. I don't know if it is this one. Oh no, it's this cloud init. So it sets the proxy to port 5000. I don't have any error in here. I don't know if I need to wait any longer. That's weird. In Azure Vault. Let me see. If I run oh yeah, okay, yeah, comment this one and I comment this one. Okay, public key. it's the same. It's issue on 10.004 5000. Yeah, the default port is 5000. I think it's just taking a bit of time. I think it just takes some time. Yeah, now it works. See, now it works. I think it's just because it takes some time to load. I don't know. I don't know if it is because we removed that port, but I don't think it is the issue because it's the same address as before, and the same port, debug mode on. So I think probably we just needed to wait a bit of time. So maybe, but I don't think so because you see, port 5000. Okay, maybe that's it. But let's see if the Azure Insights works. Let's see, we are in alerts, events. So right now we have 118, so we should have more. So we should have more than 118 events now. So let's see. Oh, see? Okay. Okay, because we changed it and then we run it again. Yeah, so I think that was not the issue. Yeah, I think the issue was that we just needed to wait more. So it was working, and now it's not working anymore because we changed it again, the code, and then it's going to take some time to go to the VM again. That's just Azure. Okay, in the meantime, let's see what else I can do in relation to the exercise. Now, autoscaling the VMSS. For the VM scale set, create an autoscaling rule based on metrics. Trigger the conditions for the rule cause an autoscaling event. Okay, in the meantime, let's create the outscale rules for the VMSS. Let's see. Udacity VMSS. So we can do. I don't remember where we go. I think we come here in scaling, then we click custom outscale. We give a name to it, scale 99. And then we want to scale based on a metric, and then we add a rule. In this case, we want to use, I don't know if I use average or count, I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's average. I used a, yeah. I think I use this resource in here. Let me check. Automatically scale a virtual machine skill set with Azure CLI. I think, let me search. Yeah. So for this one, the example shows using the Azure CLI, but yes, we can do this using this one. So in this case, use the CPU. No time aggregation. I don't know if it uses average. Let me see. Yeah, average CPU load. Average CPU load. So average CPU. Let me see. So right now we can see that this CPU average load is very low. It's 1.75. Let me see. It's still not fucking okay. But anyways, let's greater than. Did I put greater than? Yeah, greater than. Okay, greater than. I'll just put 40%. So then we can see here the threshold. 40%. The duration. In here, it puts the duration to 5 minutes. So yeah, I think I'll put it to 3 minutes. So we do not wait very long. Okay, I'll just put 5. And the action increase. Yeah, I think I just needed to change that because it doesn't. I think in here it is an action. I don't remember if we needed to do anything. Yeah, because I created these. Scale out. Yeah. So out scale name is scale out 3. Increase count is essential. Cool down 5 minutes. Increase count by 5. What is this? Is the amount of time to wait after the operation before scaling again. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's in here, instance limit. So the minimum 2, and I think I don't remember how many did they use in here. I think in here they used min count equal 2, so min count 2 and maximum 10, but I think I just put maximum 5 and the default equal 2. Scale out 3. So I think we also need to create one for when the CPU is lower, like less than, for example, 20% to scale down. To scale down. Increase count by action. It's not increase, it's decrease count by 1, I guess. Greener. Yeah. Oh, in here, okay, less than 20%, duration 5 minutes, average. So if it's less than 20%, the CPU percentage average, then it would increase by 1. No. Another idea. Okay, this limits 2, maximum 5. Okay. It's still not working. Oh, key error, bad request. Okay, I think we did something wrong there. Let me see. I'll just put it back the way it was. Okay, we have the rules, and I hope it works fine. 2 of 2, 2 out of 2. Let me see. Right now we have 2 instances of the VMSS. Oh, okay, we also need to come in here and enable the insights. Okay. Okay, I don't know what is happening. I'll just try to stop the VM and start again. I think some conflict is happening as I get in the message in here. With a concurrent request. Activity log, let me see. Activity log. Yeah, I'll just try to stop it. And so it's going to take some time. Once I stop it, I will get out of it automatically. I will restart. Okay, it seems it's... oh no, still... Okay, I think now it's working again. We have a new public IP address. I'll try again. I'll just try again. The part number... Oh yeah, I need to activate.